Hello and welcome. My name is Crow. Welcome to this video. It's a sound demo video. It's to accompany one of my Etsy listings. The Etsy listing in question is for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. So this is a 16-inch diameter Horseskin drum, and as you can see, it has the hair left on the skin, which is rather beautiful. If you turn it over, you can see the way it's designed on the back. So we have this inner circle here, and then we have a wooden cross handle here. It's bound with sari wool or sari rope and trimmed with leather. This is beech wood here. The internal circle here is artificial sinew, which has been bound with the wool, and it's laced with artificial sinew as well. The frame that it's on is a 16-inch ash wood frame, and I burnt some information inside the frame for you. I put horse and ash in there, so you've always got that reference. I put my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. Hello, Mr. Crow. I put the date when the drum was birthed. It was the 5th of October 2024 in Knighton, Paris, UK. For all of you interested in the astrology of the drum, I put the star sign for Libra in there as well. So yeah, that's everything. So let's have a little play. I'm going to play with two beaters. I'm going to do a soft beater and a firmer beater. And either of those are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this to be your drum. I'm going to start with the firm beater. Here we go. Beautiful. And then I'm going to swap over and use the softer beater. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope the video helps when you're making your decision. It's always tricky buying online, and that's why I make these little videos. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.